Welcome everyone on my trade journal, where I speak about the trade, what I did, and this trade is more interesting and it's more, I think, than before trade interesting this video, because here I explain that principle, how add to your position what you have more bigger volume and how expand your position if you want to sit in more deep or in more longer time frame and take more long and profit. We will speak about British Pound USD. It's my trade, and I did first of all what we started. I did this signal for my team. We trade with team about on British Pound USD was the same. We spoke about it, and this signal was sent by me, and it was here. It was here, but I opened a little bit early. I opened by 1 hour time frame. I opened 2 contract here. It was first my open position on British Pound USD, and if you watch my every morning market review or every week forecast for British Pound USD, you know that I'm waited all this time. I am waited movement to down, and here we had this principle that price will show to us it won't go more below, and that's why I waited that point for short. And here I started with 2 contract and part of position. I all the time close part of position. It's not main principle for everyone, but for me it's more better because I can see it more deep movement. I can trade, and if you are day trader like I, and you see more powerful movement, you should close part of position on that guaranteed target. And I closed part of position here. I closed 1 and was left 1 on my position. But when price came to my signal, what I sent it, what I showed you before, I opened 1 more 2 contracts. And when price go below, I closed 1 more time. That's 1 contract. And what we have now? Now I have 2 contract left from all this position, and for 2 contract I have profit. I have took this high and this high, and I close it part of position, and now I still in position. I take some profit, and next price come here. Here was amazing point for short, but I didn't do it. I miss it, and it's little mistake, but I have part of position. I am waiting 1.20 to 20, as I told it morning. I am waiting this position, and here what we have here, they did this point, but I didn't take it. I took this signal. I'll show you this signal. I did the same in my group, and I opened here short, and with this stop here I opened 3 contract, and now I have 5 contract. I have guaranteed target was here. Here I closed 2, and next guaranteed target was here. One guy from my team on conference told me that I have received this take profit, because after that level on 1 hour time frame more probably will some pullback, and we have here this level what did this pullback, and I had to do it, but I didn't. But when price did pullback without any nerves, I closed 1 more contract. Closed all this position was closed in profit. It's different deal. What I had at top of this movement, it's my main target with 1.22, but all what happened next, it's some new formation, some ideas, and new traders. It's different traders and trades, and here I closed this position, and I have 2 contracts. Here they give 1 more time signal for short, and I opened here short, closed here 1 contract. I opened 3, one contract, price go higher with this stop, take 2 contract, and here withdrawal, here withdrawal next, and finish. I am without deal, but my main target still the same. But what happened? Bigger time frame start work. Bigger time frame on 1 hour time frame start push this market and make provocation, and on 1 hour time frame they just gave the best point for short. I knew it, I feeling it, but I couldn't stay in position because I chose the tactic trade on less time frame by steps principle, but they didn't want to do it. But they gave amazing point for short was here, and I also miss it unfortunately, but they gave another chance on more or less time frame. It was here, and I opened short here. Yes, I tried to connect. I am the student. I tried to connect here, but they gave stop to me. Maybe here was good point, here was good point for short by 1 hour time frame, but I opened here. I closed part of position here, and next part of position I closed here. And I have one more contract to see it more deeply to 1.2220. When you trade and fix some profit for yourself, it helps to you see more deeper movement, because if we will calculate what I did trade here, and actually all this profit was give to me this moment, and I trade second time here without all this nervous, and I'm in profit. Yes, if you trade, you can trade simply and waiting when price will come here, or you can trade on less time frame. If you are day trader, you can trade on less time frame with profit, take profit on less time frame. How it look like on my order window, it's all what I told here. Short, guaranteed target, short, guaranteed target, short, guaranteed target, close position, short, guaranteed target, and exit. Try to short, they kick me. Unfortunately, it's trading, it's normal, it's not panic. After that, short here, part of position, and I am still in position, and I am waiting how price will give me. The main target is 1.2220. I'm waiting it, and it's one more point for movement with less stop, with small stop. If we will see my stop on this 1 hour time frame, I open short with this stop, and look how it's amazing risk reward. And how was second point for short? It was here. I showed you it on 5-minute time frame. Here was also great point for short. Any British pound now is the best for great point for short, and I think this video is interesting. Is it interesting for you? Put like, and remember, you can be more profitable, more stable trader if you with real team and if you use good trade algorithm. Have a good profit day. See you on next video.